Hello students, welcome back to the computer class. In the computer class today we are going to study chapter number 4. I have taught this in the class earlier. Let's revise. The name of the chapter is the monitor and the CPU. We have studied about the 4 main parts of a computer. What are they? They are the mouse, the keyboard, the monitor and the CPU. Now we are going to study about the monitor and the CPU in detail. Okay, a computer works by using its different parts. All these parts together make a complete computer system. I have explained it to you like we have a body, है ना? We have a body and we have so many body parts like hands, legs, eyes, nose, ears, brain, stomach and many more. So, like we need all our body parts to work properly, in the same way a computer also needs all its parts to work properly. In this chapter we will learn more about the monitor and the CPU. We will learn more in details about the monitor and the CPU. Let's see what a monitor is. A monitor has a screen in front. It displays the work that we do on a computer. It has the following features. Look here, this is a picture of a monitor. It has a screen. This part, the colorful part on which we see pictures, videos, is called the screen, है ना? If you switch off, the screen will be black in color. So it has a screen. It is a displaying device. Display करना मतलब कुछ भी show करना. To show. Display means to show. Okay, so it is called a displaying device. Why? Because it displays everything that we do on a computer. Students, you all know that each and every machine has a switch on and switch off button. अगर कोई machine है तो उसमें on off button होगा. ठीक है? So in the same way a monitor also has an on off button. Okay? It looks like a television screen. And it is connected to the CPU. All the parts of the computer are connected to the CPU with the help of a cable or electric wire. Okay, cable or electric wire. So what are the features? It looks like a television screen. It has an on-off button. We connect it to the CPU using a cable or electric wire. The screen of monitor is delicate. Delicate मतलब बहुत नाजुक है. Okay, it can break easily. अब monitor, computer या made with any machine, किसी भी machine के पास आपको पानी नहीं गिराना चाहिए. You should not play. Why? Because all these machines, especially the machines which have screen, are very delicate and it can break easily. Here you can see the 3 types of monitors. What are they? CRT monitor, LCD monitor and LED monitor. CRT, LCD and LED are abbreviations, मतलब short form. इसका full form भी है, but you will learn that in class 2, not in class 1. CRT monitor. पहले के ज़माने में बहुत पहले सारे monitors और televisions इसी shape और size में होते थे. CRT. जैसे जैसे जनरेशन्स बढ़ता गया, टेक्नोलॉजी इम्प्रूव होता गया, है ना? जैसे जैसे हम लोग बड़े होते हैं, हम लोग में बुद्धि आता है, वी गेट इंटेलिजेंट, है ना? इन द सेम वे जैसे जनरेशन्स बढ़ते जा रहे हैं, टेक्नोलॉजी इम्प्रूव करते जा रहा है. सो फ्रॉम CRT वी केम टू LCD मॉनिटर एंड फ्रॉम LCD वी केम टू LED मॉनिटर. ठीक है? CRT मॉनिटर विद बाय सीइंग द पिक्चर यू कैन आइडेंटिफाई कि दिस इज वेरी बिग इन साइज. अब कोई भी चीज़ बड़ा है तो वो ज़्यादा जगह लेगा. ऑक्यूपाइज स्पेस. ऑक्यूपाइज मतलब जगह लेना. ओके, सो इट इज़ बिग इन साइज, सो इट विल ऑक्यूपाइज मोर स्पेस. LCD and LED are small in size. You can keep it on a table or fix it on a wall. So it takes very less space. अब CRT क्या है? ज़्यादा कॉस्टली नहीं है. It is not costly, but LCD and LED are costly. अब CRT और LCD में तो आपको बहुत सारा डिफरेंस मिल जा रहा है, बट LCD और LED में आपको बाय लुक ज़्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं मिलेगा, बट इसके फीचर्स में बहुत डिफरेंस है. द पिक्चर क्वालिटी ऑफ LED इज़ मोर क्लियर. LED में पिक्चर क्वालिटी ज़्यादा अच्छा है. ठीक है? और ये बहुत कम स्पेस लेता है. इट इज़ नॉट बिग इन साइज, इट इज़ नॉट हैवी एंड इट इज़ नॉट कॉस्टली. अब जो चीज़ बड़ा है और इतना बड़ा है, इतना जगह लेता है, वो चीज़ हैवी भी होगा, है ना. सो दीज three are the different types of monitors and the features of these monitors. Now CPU, the full form of CPU, Central Processing Unit. You have to learn this. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit, and we have a brain. A computer also has a brain. What is it? CPU. The brain of a computer is CPU. Can we work without our brain? No. So a computer also cannot work without our brain. हम लोग सब कुछ सारे इंफॉर्मेशन, सारे बातें कहाँ स्टोर करते हैं? ब्रेन में. सो अ कंप्यूटर ऑल्सो स्टोर्स एवरीथिंग इन इट्स ब्रेन, दैट इज CPU. अब हम लोग का सारा बॉडी पार्ट्स नर्व्स के द्वारा ब्रेन से कनेक्टेड है. सो इन द सिमिलर वे ऑल द पार्ट्स ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर आर कनेक्टेड टू द CPU, एंड CPU नहीं रहेगा तो कंप्यूटर काम नहीं करेगा. सो व्हाट आर द फीचर्स? It is the brain of a computer. It stores information. It makes all parts of the computer work. Okay. So this was all about the chapter number 4 of your computer science book. So students, go through this video properly and study and learn all the spellings and read. Reading is very important. Read the chapter at home. Thank you.